Now let's get your OpenRange ready to go. First, release the 2 latches, then open the door and remove the contents. Slide the utensil tray into place here, and to install the lantern pole, remove the plug and fully insert the pole, making sure that the end of the pole is seated in the holder within the OpenRange. You can install it on either side of the OpenRange. To install the backboard organizer, insert it into the mounting points on top of the OpenRange. And to transport, store the lantern pole and backboard organizer in the OpenRange with all your camp kitchen gear. To lock the OpenRange, use the included keys to lock each of the 2 locks on either side of the OpenRange. And you're ready to go. And to install the OpenRange on your EXO system, completely loosen both knobs of the EXO swing base or EXO top shelf by turning it counterclockwise until they can no longer turn. But first, make sure the pin next to the knobs is in the unlocked position. Next, grab the OpenRange. Tilt and lift the rear of the box slightly back as you slide it into the track of the EXO swing base or top shelf arms. Then, lower the front of the box into the track. Now, tighten these knobs completely, pressing the locking pins in, and lock the knobs with a key. The knobs will spin freely when locked. To check it is installed correctly, lift up on the EXO OpenRange. It should not move. To build out your OpenRange, check out our range of accessories to help build out the camp kitchen of your dreams. When it's time to remove the OpenRange, unlock the knobs with your key, set the locking pins in the unlocked position, then completely loosen the knobs by turning them counterclockwise until they are fully open. If the box is loaded, find a buddy and with their assistance lift the EXO OpenRange off the EXO system. That's it. Now get out and take it easy.